trying times, encourage one another. Satan is at work, seeking souls to cover. For he knows his time is short, his fate decided. He tempts with sin and shame, so stay strong and guided. Let us live holy for the Lord, walking daily in one accord. For he is good and right, he will make us shine with light. There's no time to be discouraged, we must bear up and lift each other. God's grace is sufficient to stand our trials, and trust in Jesus brings eternal smiles. Let us live holy for the Lord, walking daily in one accord. For he is good and right, he will make us shine with light. Pray to Jesus for faith and endurance, to free your heart from doubt and reluctance, wear the present truth as if it were your own. It grants you courage, life and power. Let us live holy for the Lord, walking daily in one accord. For he is good and right, he will make us shine with light. Let us live holy for the Lord, walking daily in one accord. For he is good and right, he will make